यार रुक जाओ एक सेकंड. GoPro stop recording. पंखा चल रहा है. GoPro stop recording. Hi you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. You guys have been literally killing me to make an Ajio haul for you guys, and finally here I am making one for you. I have all the clothes all over around me which I'm gonna show you today. You guys know how much I love shopping, but more importantly I love doing smart shopping, and I always love if I'm getting some of my money back as cashback on every online purchase of mine, be it fashion, skincare, beauty, food orders, electronics and whatnot, using my favorite shopping trick. So the shopping trick which I'm talking about is Cash Karo, which is India's biggest cashback website. Yes, a website just for cashbacks, and they offer cashback on over 1500 plus websites like Amazon, Myntra, Ajio, Mama Earth, and even on mobile recharges and bill payments. And keep watching the video because I'm gonna tell you 3 reasons why you should be using Cash Karo for all your online shopping needs. And they are also offering 10% cashback on all purchases made on Ajio, and the items which I'm going to be showing you today in today's video can also be bought with extra cashback on top. So let's begin with the haul now. Okay guys, so first I got for myself a very pretty skater dress which has floral print all over, and it's in red color. I don't usually wear red color a lot, and I just wanted to experiment something with my wardrobe as well, so that's the reason why I got this. I just love the fit, the fabric and everything, and this one is priced at rupees 400, which I think is great because you're getting such a pretty dress at such affordable price. And it's in size extra small, which is great because it fits perfectly to me. One more reason why I got this is because it's very comfortable in terms of its styling as well. I mean, look at the collar. It's round neck and it also comes with sleeves, and the length is also very appropriate, so I can easily wear it outside, maybe pair it up with a denim jacket or sneakers, maybe put even a belt around my waist to cinch it up a little bit more and look so cute and fun. Can't wait to wear it soon. Guys, next is the most favorite and the best purchases I have made so far this year, and it's this skirt which I love so much. I just can't believe abhi bhi ki I found this one on Ajio, and it also has some ruffle detail going on the front part, and it has colorful geometric print going all over, which I love the most. It fits like a dream, and again it's in size extra small and is priced at only rupees 340. I mean, can you believe it? It looks so designer and so quirky. I'm gonna style it in so many different ways, even with a basic shirt and with a blingy top as well. I mean, I can dress it up, dress it down, make it work for party wear and even for casual outings because I'm crazy like that. I just want to wear these fancy colorful clothes outside. So yeah, let's do that soon. Guys, next I got something again very colorful and fun top for myself. It comes with a tie-up on the neck part, and it's in size extra small and is priced at rupees 400. I love the material, it's way too soft, and if you want to spice your workwear wardrobe a little bit, these kind of tops will just the best for you guys. And even if you are someone who is working from home, adding some fun element like this always works the best. And since I don't go to any office, so probably I'm just gonna style them with maybe white pants or jeans, and these are very perfect even for my events or if I'm going for a brunch or day out with friends or family. Just perfect for that. Okay guys, now let me quickly tell you 3 reasons why you should be using Cash Karo for all your online shopping. Okay, so the first is the cashback which you're receiving from Cash Karo is real cash, and it can be directly transferred into your bank account, or it can also be converted into Amazon gift vouchers. Second is Cash Karo cashback is applicable over and above any existing discount, coupon codes or even bank offers, which means you will get extra cashback even after applying every possible discounts. And lastly, Cash Karo offers cashback on retailers across categories like fashion, beauty, skincare, education and whatnot, and it's just one extra step that would make your whole shopping experience a lot more better. And this is how much I have saved till date by just shopping, as I have been using Cash Karo from some time now. Also guys, I have mentioned all the products links in description box for you guys, and you can buy the same with extra 10% cashback. Also remember that Cash Karo will take you to Ajio's website, and from there you have to buy the products. Don't go to the app, go to the website to earn free cashback. Okay guys, let me show you how it works. Okay, first click on any product link which is given in description box down. Okay, and then just tap on the orange button, sign up on Cash Karo, and then click on the orange button and you will be redirected to the same product on Ajio. And then you just purchase the product how you normally do, and you can even opt for COD with free cashback from Cash Karo, and that is it. You will get the same product with extra cashback. I mean, how cool is that? So Next, I got this very pretty kurti for myself. First of all, look at the color. I don't have anything in this color in my whole wardrobe, and when I looked at it on Ajio, I was like, it might look good on me, and I think it does. Let me know. I also love the overall big floral print happening on this kurti. It looks so summery and so fresh and fun at the same time, and my mom was so happy when I showed her this kurti, apart from all the western stuff I've got from this haul. But anyway, even I love it so much. I can style it in so many different ways, maybe even with jeans. It looks so fun, and it's very appropriate for college as well. You can even style it with maybe leggings or white pants, and you'll be just good to go. Next, I got a kundan set for myself. This was so unexpected even for myself, but when I looked at it online, I was like, I have to get it because it's way too pretty. Also, it comes in a box like this, which is good because it keeps the jewelry protected. So let me quickly open it for you guys. It comes with a pair of earrings and a beautiful kundan pearl necklace, and it is very much of my style because I don't like anything heavy on my neck and on my ears. And not only I can style it for my ethnic outfits, I can even style it for my western looks, and I can create so many looks out of it. And whenever I'm buying anything online, मैं पहले से ऐसे सोच लेती हूँ कि वैसे और कितने ways में style कर सकती हूँ. So that kind of helps me a lot. And the best part is कि this one is priced at only rupees 300, and I also got pair of earrings along with it. I mean, how cool is that? Guys, next I got a very pretty pencil skirt for myself. First of all, look at the print and the color. It is so summery, and I have never worn anything like this, and I just love it way too much. And the best part is that I got it for only rupees 315. I mean, how cool is that? इतने में क्या आता है? And I'm getting such a trendy piece for myself. And it also comes with a front slit. You guys know how much I'm into slits these days. I can style it in so many different ways. And the best part is that because it is print on the bottom part, you can style it with even a basic t-shirt or any top or any fun statement sleeve wale tops or any shirt, any blouse, so many different things. You can create so many looks out of it, and with only 315 rupees skirt, yeah, I'm way too excited already. Also, if you want to buy anything else from Ajio or any other website, I'm gonna tell you how Cash Karo can help you save massive amounts of money on every online shopping of yours. Wait, let me just show you. Okay, so just click on the first link given in description box down below and make your account on Cash Karo. And once you sign up on Cash Karo using the link given in description box down, you're gonna get an instant bonus of rupees 25. And once you have made your account, just tap on your favorite icon or search for any website. Like I'm searching here for Ajio, and then just click on the orange button and tap on the visit retailer, and this will take you directly to the website. And once you're there, shop how you normally do, add products to the cart, make a transaction, and you can even use all the coupon codes that you already have. And after placing the order, check the My Earnings section on your Cash Karo account where your cashback or reward will be reflected. Now your cashback or reward will be in pending, and it will be cleared in few days if you do not cancel or return your order. And once your cashback or reward reaches 250 rupees, you can take out the entire amount directly into your bank account, or it can also be converted into Amazon gift vouchers. Next, guys, I got 2 t-shirts for myself. It's been so long that I haven't shopped any t-shirts for myself. First is this very pretty mint color t-shirt with a floral patch print at the front part, and it looks so aesthetic, and the color also matches my nails, if you know what I mean and what's happening here. I just love it very much, and this one is priced at only rupees 150. I mean, so cool, right? And it's in size extra small, but मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा मुझे loose fit दे रहा है, even if it's size extra small, but I'm fine with it because I can create so many baggy looks with this, and it's anyway good to be comfortable, right? Also, I got one more in white because white is such a classic thing and you can always invest in one, and it also comes with a floral print at the front part. Looks very cute, and I can wear it with jeans, pants, create so many looks. And it's always good to have t-shirts because you can even style them with blazers. I mean, can you believe that? So guys, that is it for today. Also, not to forget, Cash Karo is literally giving you free money to shop online, and who would not want that? I would suggest you guys to make at least one transaction using Cash Karo. Always remember, sale or no sale, Cash Karo is always giving you massive cashbacks on your online shoppings throughout the whole year. Also guys, when you're gonna sign up with the links given in description box down below, you will get 25 rupees extra on your purchase on any website which is listed on Cash Karo. So just sign up from the link given in description box and see the magic yourself. I know you guys love watching haul videos a lot, so if there are any more requests, you can let me know in the comments down below and I'll just make that for you guys because I love you guys like that. And yeah, that is it for today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Bye. Oh mama, oh mama, get me high so fast.